Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Zach with Dreamedia. We have the RP-4000F tower speakers. I installed these the other day. Absolutely loved them for the value. $299 retail, you just can't beat it. I want to show you what's inside the box. Keep in mind, as you're watching this, we are a Klipsch direct dealer and sell all of these products. We have the guaranteed best pricing. There will be any of our competitors' advertised quote, and if you're in the Dallas area, we can install this product for you professionally. Come on, baby. Should open that from the other side. Okay, a lot of packing material here. That's good. We don't want to get a damaged ship. First thing you're going to see is a nice clean magnetic grill, which all their reference Premier speakers have. Really nice. Beautiful speaker for the money. $300 retail. You purchase a package from us, you get a promo on the whole package. You got their little ceramic metallic woofers and then the 90 by 90 horn. Same technology they're using in all their reference Premier speakers. This is just a smaller version. They also make this in the 5000, 6000, and 8000 series models. Yeah, it has nice cast aluminum feet on it. We got the ash black finish. We'll get this thing plugged in. I'll upload a photo of the system and maybe even a demo. If the customer wants us to play some stuff. Thank you for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.
Can't do this alone. We need you.